If your flight to London is suddenly delayed by hours, you're caught in a geopolitical storm. If you're a traveler from India or Pakistan, airspace just got a lot more crowded. Here's what you need to know. On April 24th, Pakistan closed its airspace to Indian airlines, following a deadly attack in Kashmir. India responded today, banning Pakistani airlines from its own skies until late May. The trigger? A tragic incident where 26 tourists were killed. India blames militants from Pakistan, but Islamabad denies any involvement. The fallout is immediate. Indian carriers like Air India and Indigo are scrambling, rerouting or cancelling flights, especially to Europe, Central Asia and the US. Air India's New York route faced delays of up to 6 hours. Pakistani carrier PIA is hit too, especially on Asian routes. Beyond the airports, trade has been suspended and tourism in Kashmir has collapsed. With both nations on edge, global travelers are advised to steer clear of the region for now.